Alright. It is intentionally dark because, as someone has suggested, since both these flywheels got loose, there's a chance that the pulley here with the timing also got loose, and maybe this engine got out of tune. Or out of tune. So I'm gonna check the spark, and hopefully when it's dark like this, we'll be able to see it. I'm turning this the direction the engine is supposed to run, and it's sparking at the top there. Okay. Yep. This disc got loose and moved because it is sparking in the middle there, and ideally it would be sparking somewhere near top dead center, around 5 degrees. So I'm going to turn the light on and see if we can't do something about that. Alright. Let's see now. So, the magnet is right there, and it was turning this way, and it caused a spark there, and we want the spark to happen down here, so we need to loosen that and see if we can get it to turn. Oh, there we go, that's loose. That doesn't have to be super tight to test this. Alright. Make sure I'm turning this the right way. Alright. Well, it's exactly on top dead center, so now we're going to try advancing it 5 degrees or so. All right. Oh. There we go. We are 2 or 3 degrees advanced. I'm going to try just if I turn it the right way, that would make sense. All right. We are There we go. That is about 5 degrees. So, I guess what we have learned here is that this switch here is triggered right when the magnet is just above it. So I am gonna try that this weekend. Definitely when it's at 90 degrees, there's no way that engine will start. So I feel kind of silly for not having checked that earlier. It does make perfect sense. Everything else, both these flywheels got loose, and the starter cup here got loose. Not because of any manufacturing issues, just because these grub screws are so tiny. They're 1.5 and 2 millimeter caps, so it's very hard in brass to comfortably tighten those. And while I'm talking about this, I'm actually going to Loctite the starter cup in place so that it doesn't work loose anymore. Like I said, it's basically impossible to comfortably tighten those. Oh, and that has really built some pressure in it. I guess, valuable reminder there. Always check your Loctite to make sure it's not going to goo everywhere when you are working on these engines, because that just, yeah. Anyhow, yeah, I hadn't thought to check the timing. It makes sense because, like I said, these other cap screws got loose, so that screw got loose. Hopefully, this weekend, we will have some luck with that. And if you go about adjusting the timing on any of these engines, just a reminder that you want the snap to happen somewhere between 0 and 5 degrees. So 0 is straight up top dead center, and then the spark should be either at 0 or a little advanced, so that the explosion of the fuel has a chance to build pressure for the engine to use to operate. So hopefully that adjustment will make it so this will work instead of spending a few hours being frustrated like last weekend.